Hello, fifth graders, and welcome to your very first music lesson of the year. Even though we are going to be apart from each other, we're still going to find ways to have fun, make music, and just have a good time together even though we're online. So today I want to get us started with a little bit of review. If you were with me last year in fourth grade, we started talking about, right before we were out for COVID, about the musical staff. As a reminder, the musical staff is a set of 5 lines and 4 spaces that music is written on. We also had a little symbol at the end of our staff which told us some things about how to read it, and that was called a treble clef. Now, when we were looking at it, there are 2 different ways that you can write a note on the musical staff. You can write it as a line, which means that the line goes through the middle of the note, or you can write it as a space, which means it is in between the lines. Now, we also talked about how you can move between the different notes. You can either start on a line and go to a space, or line or space, same way, or space to a line, and that one is called a step. A step is when a note moves up or down only one step. So that would be like a space to a line, like I said, or a line to a space. We also talked about how you can have a skip. A skip is when you go from a space to a space, you skip the line in the middle, or from a line to a line, you skip the space in the middle. One that we didn't talk about a whole lot but is really easy to figure out is called a repeat. A repeat is when you have one note on a line or a space, then the next note is on the exact same line or space. So that's pretty easy to know that order of them. So I'm going to put us a couple up here and we're going to see which ones they are. So let's check out this one. When we look at it, the first one is on a line. The one beside it is on a space right next to it. That's important. If it was on a space somewhere else, it wouldn't be a step, but this one, since it goes from line to space right beside each other, that one's going to be a step. Let's look at this next one. Okay, so this one, it starts on the third space up, you can see it there, and then it goes to another space right beside it, but it skips the line in the middle. That would make this one a skip. And I'm pretty sure you know where I'm headed with the last one, but let's check this one out. All right, we see this one is on a line, and the one beside it is on the exact same line. That would make this one a repeat. So that's our little bit of review here, and I want you to do a little review activity today, which is doing a Kahoot challenge. Normally when we play Kahoot, we're together in the classroom and it happens at the same time, but this version of Kahoot allows you to do it on your own time, and then you can see where you rank up against other people in different classes. So that is your little assignment for today. That Kahoot is about if things are on a line or a space, and if it is a step, skip, or repeat. So that's all I have for you guys today. Check in tomorrow, and I look forward to seeing your Kahoot scores. Bye!